Or mangoes?
They're in the drawer, I think.
Some mangoes? Let me see. That's apples. Oh, there they are, right in front of my face. Cleaning yourself again. Okay, so I guess I'm going to show you guys where I work. It's my office space for my eBay store. One of our kitties want to say hi. This is Dobby. Dobby! Meow! Dobby! Dobby! Dobby, Dobby! Hi, Dobby. Okay, this is my eBay store. So I'm going to show you guys around here. Hold on a minute. Get the camera correct. There we go. This is stuff that I have not listed yet. What I normally do is I sell purses and shoes and hats, and well, this is another box that I have not gone through yet. And then sometimes, often, some clothes and stuff like that, and some suits and a bunch of other shirts and stuff. I had bags of other clothes, but I kind of decided that, you know, might as well do them all as a bundle, and it's easier to sell. And also, those are all men's shoes. There's tons of them in there. I clean and I shine shoes. And I just did these today, these boots. They're women's boots. But, yep, I clean and shine shoes. How exciting is that? This is where I normally bring my stuff in. I set it right there, and I go through it. And when I get done going through it, I pick the stuff. I divide the stuff. I put shoes in one spot, and then purses in one spot, and hats and stuff like that. This is just stuff that I kind of decide that I want to use to sell myself. So, but then when I get them all, like over here, I have all my hats in one spot, and so I list those separately, so it's easier for me to get to. And then with the shoes, sometimes I'll take them upstairs and I'll clean them with my shining kit, and the same with the boots. But the purses, most of the cheaper ones I kind of just set over here, and well, some of the cheaper ones, and like go by price range. And these shoes, I think I just kind of put them over there because they're more like women's, and I don't really want to mix them up with men's. But all these are purses. This is a camera bag. Okay, I'm gonna go through some of this stuff and show you what I kind of have and what I kind of list it for and what I sell it for. Whoop, I think I'm a little low on the camera. There we go. Okay, so this right here is a pretty nice purse. I don't remember where I bought it or got it. I think I bought it for like $2. That's what I normally pay for stuff like this. It's all leather, and it also comes with a matching wallet. So online I got it listed for like $100 or something like that. This is just like a little tiny vintage type purse. It's leather too. It's nice, and it's an SAS. It's from like probably the 90s. It's leather too. Cool little lunchbox. Probably get like $5-10 for that. Let's see. This is a Brighton purse, and it's really pretty inside. Normally these run pretty high, but see, they are used, as you can tell, because they got like little marks on them and stuff like that. But see, people don't necessarily care about that. They just want something that looks nice on them and looks pretty. And this is a pretty good one. I bought this for 30 cents. This is a Dooney & Burke. Okay, Dooney & Burke, and it's pretty good. I mean, you buy this at like a mall, and it's going to cost you like probably $70-80. And I got lucky on it, 30 cents. And over here is where I operate everything. Let's see. Oh, slam that. Okay. Now, put you back down. There we go. Everybody knows what this is. Tape gun. I just love that sound. Let's see. I use this as my scale. And then what I normally do to package stuff up is if it's something small, I try to conserve my shipping money. And I'll take like little shipping bags, and I'll put like the shoes in the bag, and you want them to get mailed easier. And I take it, I weigh it, and then I tape it up, and then I write the address on it. But yeah, that's pretty much kind of what I do and how I do it. Eventually, I'm also going to make a video about my camera gear. I kind of want to wait a little bit longer until I get more of the gear and what I use, because this is a special lens that I find really special. It's awesome. Say goodbye, Dobby. Yeah. Bye. Okay, she takes the cake as saying bye. Bye.